Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect internet from mobile to PC or laptop via hotspot. So let's begin our video. First of all, open on your phone settings. So here you can see I just open my phone settings and then select mobile or portable hotspot. So here you can see I just open my portable hotspot and then enable this option and then select setup portable hotspot, second option, and then you can change the network name or you can change your password if you want. So I just change my password. Here you can see. So after change my password, then save it from top right corner. So right now what I need to do, I just need to open my laptop or PC. So after open my laptop or PC, then select on this network icon, and here you can see my portable hotspot name. I just connect it with my password. So right now if I refresh this page, so here you can see right now network already working. So in this way you can connect mobile hotspot to your laptop or PC and you can use the internet very easily. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.